What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're well. Gonna go over our friend Gala. Currently sitting at 0.01716. We're up 1.5 on the day. We're seeing a market cap 758 million. 24-hour volume is 52 million. So if we pop into the chart, we do have a head and shoulders with 5 waves off the low at resistance. So if we do pull back from here, look for a bounce in between 0.0146 and 0.0129. If we do see that pullback, you can see here on the daily chart, we put in a beautiful inverse head and shoulders, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, and break that neckline. That would be a massive breakout and would confirm that the correction is over for Gala. And you'd see a push all the way up to about 0.27. Now, if Bitcoin were to see a deeper pullback, of course, Gala could create a new low. But as of right now, we have 5 waves off the low. So if we pull back from here, we get that bounce from the zone. Then you can see continuation. If we just push up, that means this 5 waves is not done. And you're going to break out of this wedge. Watch for confirmation of breaking the wedge, retesting. And then you could see continuation up. Your next major resistance is up at about 0.021 for Gala. So we'll see. I wouldn't be surprised to see a pullback from here and put in that right shoulder before continuation. But of course, anything can happen. Also, watch this neckline to see if it breaks at about 0.01826. All right, gang, that's what I'm looking at for Gala. We are currently in a trade for Ethereum. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, all you have to do is take 30 seconds and sign up to BITUNIX. That's it. No strings attached. No KYC, no VPN on this exchange. As you can see, 1.3 global. You can check it out for yourself. It's a great exchange. 10% back on every single one of your trades on your fees. Take 30 seconds, sign up. You don't even have to deposit. Send me an email, and I will send you the link, which includes my daily crypto analysis to many of your favorite projects. My exact trade setups, as I said, we're in a trade for Ethereum. You can see what I'm invested in, when I'm taking my profits. Almost 3,000 members in the group. Yours free with the sign up to BITUNIX and send me an email. That's it. No strings attached. All links down below. Smash up that like button. Subscribe if you're new. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.